it's your girl Yazzie, and I'm back with another haul. This time from a small-owned company called sugarcoated.com. And I absolutely love their stuff. I work with them occasionally, and I always shop there. So I thought, why not do a haul from them? If you like my last haul, if you've been liking all my videos, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And I comment back. I do everything back. Follow me on all social media. My social media is always on the videos, and it's also on the link below. These shorts that I'm wearing are from Sugar Coated as well. They're their biker shorts. I'm just using them so I don't show you guys all of my new. So here we go. We're gonna get into some new flavors from sugarcoated.com. We got some going out stuff, some everyday stuff, and that's what I like about them the most. So let's get right to it. First, we're gonna get into this pink dress by them. Perfect for a night out, for a birthday. I absolutely love this dress. This is what happens when you got a lot of, I absolutely love this dress. I think Kim K wore this dress as well before. Not sure if she got it from Sugar Coated or not, but I think she wore it. And I absolutely love it. Look at it. It is so hot. These with some clear perspex shoes. Oh my god. Forgive me for my bra showing. I can't show you guys everything, so I have to have the bra. But I absolutely love this pink dress. It's perfect. Goes with all skin tones. Amazing. Love it. Outfit number 1. Outfit number 2. Ooh, sparkly, dangly. I love sparkly. I actually bought this and wore it for my birthday, and I loved it. I got a lot of compliments about it, like a lot. Lovely. It's really nice. That's what I like about this store. Like, their things are very unique, but then also you could get like everyday stuff. You could get going out stuff. You could get all kinds of stuff from them. Again, sorry if my regular sports bra is showing. I don't mean for it to show, but we don't want you to, this is a family channel, so. Love it. I love it. I actually love the fact that this doesn't feel cheap. It's not like some cheap spandex. It's not like it's like some cheap spandex. It's actually a great fabric, and that's what makes me like this even more. I love it. I definitely got a lot of compliments on it for my birthday, so I highly recommend it. Next, I was gonna get into this dress first, but I'm gonna get right into this other sequins outfit because I think that I just want to see how the combo would look like with the silver sequins. I know they're not the same, but I just had that thought in my head that I really like the fabrics of these people's stuff. Like, honestly, this is great fabric, because normally sequins is not like this kind of fabric. And I actually ordered this one size up. I ordered this in a medium. I'm normally a small, but I ordered it in a medium because I wanted it to fit me. I actually ordered one size up. I ordered a medium, and that's because I wanted it to fit me, give me that boyish look. Like, I wanted I didn't want it to give me that sexy vibe, and I love it. I love it. Normally I would have done a small, which would slightly be tighter, but I actually like it like this. Love it like this. And I think it actually looks good with the silver on the inside. I love to shine. I don't know. I think my middle name was like Glow Bitch or Shine Bitch. I don't know. I think that was supposed to be my name. I don't know why my mom named me Glow. Yazzie, Glow. Love it. About this dress was the fact that for me it reminded me of like that whole Barbie look, and this dress I got a small. I love it too. I would probably wear it with like tall boots or like strappy shoes. What I would wear it with. I love it. Look back at it. How do I look? Do I look sexy? Now, I love rompers and jumpers, and this is definitely a stunner. They have this in black as well, but I love this red one. Oh my God, it's so hot. Like when you wear this, just be ready because it's beautiful. When I tried it on, because I tried it on earlier and I like fell in love right away. I have those other leggings under. Bear with me. I can't show you guys everything. But I love this one too. What I like about this is I would wear this dressed up or dressed down. Like I would wear it with heels and go out. And then I could also like wear it with sneakers. I could zip it all the way up if I didn't want to show anything at all. I could zip it all the way up. I could like open it up a little bit up to like here. You know what I mean? I love this. It's one of my faves. These pants I love. This store always gets these pants in different colors. I have like 3 colors already. Now they have it in denim. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oops, sorry, I probably messed up my hair. I love this. It's a nice set for vacation. Or if you want to later on wear the pants by itself, you could do that too. I don't know. I'm probably like the only African girl you know that can't dance. I couldn't dance to save my life. I'm like so offbeat. Excuse me? Is that... If you're a mom, then you already know how this goes. You already know. He's totally ruined my video, but Caleb, okay, now you did your display. Now bye. Excuse me, gentlemen. Thank you. Not even in it anymore. Sorry about that, guys. But if you're a mom, you know how that goes. But I love my pants. I love my outfit. Last, I'm going to get into this tracksuit that I am completely obsessed with. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it because, again, you could wear it dressed down. You could wear it. You could actually wear this out with a nice little top inside of it. No one is stopping you from wearing it out. What's going on here? No one is stopping you from wearing it out. And it actually reflects too. So at certain points, the gray looks white. Yep. So it actually looks white in the video, right? But it's not white. It's actually like gray. Like, this is so dope. This is so dope. When I have this on, no one can tell me I'm not fly. I'm like, what? 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 I love it. Anyway, guys, this is my last outfit from sugarcoated.com today. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I totally enjoyed doing it for you guys. I'm working on bringing you more cool stuff, more dope stuff. Again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share my videos. Any suggestions that you have, I'm ready to take them. All right, this is Yazzie signing out. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Tell me I'm not fly. I'm like, what? 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 I love it.